came down from Yellow Mountain on a dark flat land she rides, on a pony she named Wildfire, whirlwind by her side, on a cold Nebraska night. Well, they say she died one winter when there came a killing frost, and a pony she named Wildfire busted down and stalled. In a blizzard she was lost. She ran and called him Wildfire. She ran and called him Wildfire. She ran and called him By the dark of the moon I planted, though there came an early snow. Been a hoot owl howling out my window now, 6 nights in a row.